Welcome to Frankensight and our YouTube channel, Ask Frank 15. Today we are going to discuss ranges and intervals in regular expressions. Ranges can be used to match a character from within a group of sequential characters. Ranges are represented in brackets like a character class. Here are some examples to demonstrate the syntax with digits and with letter characters. 1 to 5 in brackets and x to z in brackets just to demonstrate the syntax. That's not actual statement. Now let's look at some functioning examples of ranges in regular expressions. In this example, we are going to look at any single character in the range between characters x and z in the file regextarget.txt. Next, we are going to search for a match for any single character between 1 and 7. Now, let's take a look at intervals in regular expressions. Intervals are a concise way to say apply a search parameter to more than one character. Intervals are placed within curly braces. Here is the syntax. Search parameter, bracket open, number of characters to apply it to, close bracket. And what that means is search parameter apply to one character, and if it says more than one, you'll apply that search parameter separately again to the second, to the third. Let's look at some examples. Our first one uses egrep, and we're looking for a range of numbers between 1 to 3, and we're looking for 3 instances of this. So we found 111 and 333. So in the range of 1 to 3 is 1 and also 3. And 3 instances of each. Let's look at another example. This one we're going to use awk. Awk is an interpreted programming language used for text processing. This awk script looks for 3 instances of the digit 1. Here we have just the digit 1 instead of a range, and then we have designated 3 instances. Here we see print 0. This means print out the entire line if a match occurs for this search. Now our next example. This awk script uses digit, which represents any single digit character, and uses an interval to mean any 1 to 4 occurrences of said digit. So here we have this same number. We have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 of any digit. Now our final example for intervals. This awk script looks for 1 to 2 instances of the string 75 in the file regextarget.txt and prints out the entire line if positive for match. So here we have 75, 75. That's two instances of our query, two consecutive instances.